gonna be mad. Hey, welcome back to the Mechanic Mind. We got a 1988 MTD tiller here. We recently just picked this thing up, and from our understanding, it does not run at all. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's see if we can get it started, and then we're going to start tearing this thing down. Lucas, would you like to explain what we're going to try to do on this thing right now?
Yeah, so we're going to be like taking the cover off of the filter, and we're just going to be pretty much taking everything apart, checking everything, the spark plug, the cover right here, just pretty much checking everything else out.
Okay. Yeah, so what we're going to try to do, if this thing doesn't start, we're going to try to determine why it's not starting. We're going to see if we're getting spark. We're going to see if we're getting fuel through the carburetor, and we're just going to work right on through all these evolutions to try to get this thing to fire up. All right, Lucas, let's give this a go. Let's see if this thing will fire up. All right, come here, watch, go over here.
So,
We can try to fire this thing up.
oh yeah, that's probably yeah.
All right, here we go. Throttle's on, disengaged. See what we got. You got any fuel in this thing?
No.
Let's put a little fuel in there. Let's see what we got with some fuel.
No.
That should be enough. We don't want to put too much in there. Put our fuel cap back on. All right. So it looks like this thing's got a little choke right here. This is the old style choke right here. We'll see if this choke works. See if we can get the fuel in there. Fire it up.
Not coming that much.
All right, she don't look like she's gonna fire up, so we're gonna have to get down and dirty on this thing. Pull out the spark plug.
Okay. Take that off, and then we're gonna need this piece. Grab the extension, pop that thing on there. Pop that on there.
All right, what do we got?
A little bit of fluid on there.
A little bit of fuel. A little bit of oil in there. Not too bad though. We do have a spare one just in case, so we can give it a try if this spark plug is not working anymore. All right. So we're going to take the airbox cover off so we can get to the carburetor.
Weird looking. Oh. disintegrated.
Oh yeah, don't. Yeah, so that filter
Very bad
is
filter.
old. That's an old filter right there.
Definitely.
All right, let's set it all over there on the table.
Okay.
All right, so I think we should go ahead and just check the compression on this thing. Want to grab the compression checking tool?
Yes.
All right.
Do we put it in there?
Yep. So we're going to thread it down inside the spark plug hole.
It's weird to get in there.
You can go ahead and take this off right here.
Oh, okay, that'll make it a lot easier. Okay.
And I'll spin that whole piece. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and click that back on there. And now, Lucas, why don't you come right here and hold that like that right there. All right, so we're gonna crank it about 3 to 5 times. It's about standard for getting a good compression on it. You'll see whenever it stops. And where are we sitting about in PSI, Lucas?
I'm about like almost 60.
Almost 60 PSI. So this is a little 3 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. It's 1988, so it's probably got a little bit of wear on it, but that's not bad for this little engine, especially since it's been sitting here for so long. Whenever you get them running, sometimes your compression will go up because the rings will reseat. Your piston rings will reseat, and you'll get a little bit higher compression, but I don't know if we're going to get too much more than that. We might get another 5-10 PSI out of this guy. All right, Lucas, let's try something real quick.
Okay.
Let's put the spark plug back in.
Okay.
And let's do a little bit of carbon choke cleaner in there and see if we can just get it to pop off. All right, give a little shoot. Let's see what we got. Well, let's give it another shot. Let's see if we can get it good down into the throat. Let's give it a roll. All right, we're still not getting nothing. Hey, thanks for watching The Mechanical Mind, Father and Son. We really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop a comment below.
And if you like this video, please like and subscribe.